Hello, I'm in a 2008 Toyota Sienna. Today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So from inside the driver's here, we're going to go down. There should be a lever here with some tension to pull. That pop sound was the safety release. And there should be some tension here. That cable, if it's loose or something, that could be an issue. Make sure that's connected. That will go up to the front. And usually towards the middle there'll be a lever, and the sheet is loose now because that safety got pulled. But the lever's right here, so I'm kind of doing this and then lifting. So there we go. So that's where it's hooked onto, and then that's what this component looks like with this lever. If you're having issues, maybe there's some debris stuck in here, maybe need some WD-40. So get that all cleaned up, straightened out. And then sometimes if your hood's a little off alignment, or parts are bent, or whatever, if you recenter everything, it'll work better. And then worst case scenario, you can replace these parts if needed. They're pretty affordable. Same with the cables. But I hope this was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.